have our most popular pea fidget, little smiley pea faces on the other side, and then they pop back down into the pea afterwards. We of course have a little poppit, marble mesh fidget. The marble's inside here and you just play with the marble up and down. This fidget, it's like an infinity block. Bend it, pull it, move it any way. So this is a fidget. It's actually great for hand strengthening too. Push it together and squeeze and it makes a bit of a popping noise. We have the long stretchy animals. Of course a big larger poppit here. And stretchy noodles. I love these ones. So they come open and stretch really big. And of course a tangle. As an OT, I often encourage families to use or stock up on leftover advent calendars that are on sale after Christmas time and use them as a reward chart. It's a very motivating reward system for trying to implement a new behaviour or a new routine or a new skill at home.